Welcome back. Very few learners use the phrases you're about to learn today in everyday English. Master these, and you'll be ahead of most English learners. Let's begin. Make ends meet. Listen.
It's hard to make ends meet on one salary.
Repeat. Jump the gun. Listen.
Don't jump the gun before you hear the full story.
Repeat. Hit the ground running. Listen.
She hit the ground running in her new role.
Repeat. Hit the nail on the head. Listen.
You hit the nail on the head with that answer.
Repeat. Break the ice. Listen.
He told a joke to break the ice.
Repeat. Call it a day. Listen.
We've done enough. Let's call it a day.
Repeat. Cut to the chase. Listen.
Cut to the chase and tell me the point.
Repeat. Go the extra mile. Listen.
She went the extra mile to help me.
Repeat. Get the ball rolling. Listen.
Let's get the ball rolling now.
Repeat. Missed the boat. Listen.
I waited too long and missed the boat.
Repeat. Spill the beans. Listen.
Who spilled the beans about the party?
Repeat. Under the weather. Listen.
I'm feeling a bit under the weather today.
Repeat. Burn the midnight oil. Listen.
She burned the midnight oil before the exam.
Repeat. Let's review the sentences again.
It's hard to make ends meet on one salary. Don't jump the gun before you hear the full story. She hit the ground running in her new role. You hit the nail on the head with that answer. He told a joke to break the ice. We've done enough. Let's call it a day. Cut to the chase and tell me the point. She went the extra mile to help me. Let's get the ball rolling now. I waited too long and missed the boat. Who spilled the beans about the party? I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. She burned the midnight oil before the exam.
Great job! Practice these again so they come to you naturally and easily. Keep using them in real conversations. See you in the next video.